Hello viewers and my dear friends. So today I am going to teach you the NCERT class 10 grammar part of Sanskrit प्रथम प्रथम वर्णस्य पंचम वर्णे परिवर्तनम प्रथम वर्णस्य पंचम वर्णे परिवर्तनम. What is mean by that? So before teaching I have to request you, if you yet not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, so whatever the new video I will make for you, it should be brought in your notification, so you can understand the topic easily in future. So today's topic is Pratham Varnasya Panchavarne Parivartanam. What do you mean by that? Pratham Varna. The Pratham one in Sandhi, Pratham Varna means here. This one. It will be changed into the Pancham Varna. Means suppose Ta is there. So Ta Pancham Varna what? Ta Tha Da Dha Na. This one. Suppose Ka is there. Its Pancham Varna which one? Ka Kha Ga Gha Nya. Cha Pancham Varna what? Cha Cha Ja Ja Gya. Ta Varna Pancham Varna what? Ta Tha Da Dha Mardana. Ta Pancham Varna what? Ta Tha Da Dha Dantana. Pa Pancham Varna Pa Fa Ba Bha Ma. So what is the rule of this Sandhi Vichhed? They are telling, just before that I have to say one more thing also. First, this definition you must note down in your note copy. And when you will see that one, that note copy also keep with you and tally it, what I am saying, and slowly try to understand. The definition says, if the first letter of the class. What is mean by that? If the first letter of the class. Class means what you understand. One formula beginning also I told to you. Ku chu tu tu pu. This formula don't forget. Ku chu tu tu pu means the formula is ku chu tu tu pu. Means this ku chu tu pu means this all five is the classes. All five are the classes. Under each one having the five letters like a ka, kha, ga, ga, ya, cha, cha, ja, ja, gya, ta, ta, da, da, murdana, ta, ta, da, da, dantana, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. So these are called classes. Okay. So they are telling the definition says, if the first letter of the class, if the, suppose this is the Sandhi Vichhed, so this is the Sandhi Vichhed Sata plus Navati. So if the first letter of the class Ta Varg or Ta class first letter was Ta, Ta Tha Da Dha Mardana. So this Ta. Or Ka Varga first letter what? Ka. Kha Ga Ga. Yeah, so Ka is the first letter. Cha Varga first letter what? Cha Cha Ja Ja Ga. Ta Varga first letter what? Ta. Ta Varga first letter Ta. Varga means class. Pa Varga means Pa. So this line you see I put here one arrow. Means this place either Ka or Cha or Ta or Ta or Pa. Again try to understand. Ka or Cha or Ta or Ta or Pa. In this place only. Means before the plus. This plus mark. Before the plus mark. That's why I'm telling you, if the first letter of the class is followed by the fifth letter. Followed by the fifth letter means after first. This is the followed by the fifth letter. Fifth letter what? Suppose Ka Varga is the fifth letter what? Ka Kha Ga Ga Ya. Cha Cha Ja Ja Ya. Ta Ta Da Da Mardana. Ta Ta Da Da Dantana. So this side after plus either Ya or Gya or Murdana or Dantana or Ma. This part first letter of the class, and this side last letter of the class. Ya Gya Na Na means all the Anunasi. If it will be there, then what they are telling? Then the first letter, which one? The first letter, this one, of the class these are the class, become the fifth letter, means ka will convert it into the ya, cha will convert it into the ga, this part. Suppose here ta is there, ta converted into where? In the fifth letter now. Okay, so ta converted into na, ta converted into na, pa converted into the ma. But this is your Pancham Varne Parivartanam. Hope you understand. Now, the question arises, if you can't understand, here this part again you follow this part, only this part. Suppose this much whatever I told to you, suppose you could not understand, this part again special just you note down. You can understand what I told. Now directly you try to understand. Before plus, if ka cha ta ta pa means ka varga se first letter ka, cha varga se first letter cha, ta varga se first letter ta varga se first letter ta, or pa varga se first letter pa. This part before plus, any first letter of the class will be there, and after plus the same. This after plus, suppose any fifth letter of the class. Fifth letter of the class means ka ka ga ga ya, this one, cha cha ja ja ya, this one, ta 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 mardana, this one, or ta 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 dantana, this one, or means all the anunasik letter ya, ya, mardana, dantama after plus. Then what will be there? This first letter, whatever either it will be ka or cha or ta or ta or pa. It will be changed in the fifth letter of its. It will be changed. Suppose here ka is there, it will be changed into the ya. If cha here means it will be changed into the ya. If here ta is there, it will be changed into the no. That's why you see here no. Ta became no. But here halant is there, that's why here half no, more than no. If here ta will be there, then change will be the dantana. If it is pa, this part will be changed into the fifth letter. Okay, of its own class. Don't forget this part. Okay, that's why I wrote here ka converted into ya, cha converted into the gya, ta converted into murdana, ta converted into dantana, pa converted into ma. Here. Now another last word. You will see that here dantana is there, but why here mardana is coming? This is some difference rule, but it should be brought into your notice. If any word, in any word after ra, re and sa, these three, ra, re and sa, afterwards if dantana will be there, then it will be changed into the murdana. That's why this dantana, because here see murdana sa is there, ra, re and sa, means murdana sa will be there in one word, in the same word. Then that dantana will be converted into the murdana. That's why here it happened murdana. It is some difference rule. Okay, you have to take care this part. Before plus, any class's first letter, and this side after plus, any class's last letter. If it will be there, then first letter will be converted into the fifth letter of its own class. That's why ka converted into ya. Again I repeat, cha converted into the ya, ta converted into the murdana, ta converted into the dantana, pa converted into the ma. Hope you understand clearly.